What's going on, tech friends? This is the one and only Tech Boss. So yeah, anyway, let's test these out. Let's see if it's different from the old one and the sound quality is different from the old one. Got the Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra to test them out. So I've got these open. Yep, as you can see, straight away it comes up saying it's ready to connect, which is there. And I'm just gonna click on connect. Allow. Yeah. Oh, cool. Ooh. Look at that. Look at that. That's new. That's new. It tells you what percent the phone's at. But obviously, oh shoot, I closed it. Oops. So you got to go to the Samsung, the Galaxy wearable to see, obviously to connect it. To connect it. Nice. We're all ready. Oh wow, we're all ready to go. Nice. Look at that. The whole app has been updated, which is pretty damn cool. Look at that. Or maybe it's because we're using the Plus. But it did not look like this with the Samsung Galaxy, just the normal Galaxy Buds. Or maybe it's been updated because I haven't used this thing for a long time. But yeah, let's test them out. Let's put them in here, let's play some music. Anyway, let's try these bad boys on. Left one. Ooh. It makes like this ringing noise when you put them in, so you know that it's in. First impressions of it being in my ear, it feels nice. It feels nice. It almost sounds like my voice is crisp. Having them in, and I'm talking now, it sounds like it's crisp. My whole voice just sounds so crisp right now. When I take it out, it still sounds crisp, but when it's in, there's definitely a difference when it's in and you're talking. It sounds like your voice is a lot more crisp. Very, very crisp. Right, let's load up some tunes on here and see. Right. Okay. I'm gonna be testing these out for the bass as well, because the bass is what that matters, you know? Right. Ooh. Hey, bruv, this thing is sick, bruv. It's sick. It feels so nice. It's so comfortable. You wouldn't even notice that it's there. This is not falling off at all. It's so right. I've just listened to something and banging. At the beginning, I didn't think it sounded like it sounded like the old ones, but when the music started making its way up, then it started to sound like banging. But let me play something else real quick, something with a lot of bass. There's a lot of bass, there's a lot of bass, but it's not like boom, like mad bass that you would get when you're wearing like a headset or like a wired cable earphones. I mean, you can actually hear the quality. You can hear the quality very well. But let me see if there's something else that I can play just to get a feel for the bass. I don't know, guys. I don't know. Let me turn up the bass. Let me turn up the bass boost. Let me turn the bass up and listen to it again. I'm not getting that bass at all. It just sounds like it sounds like surround sound, but how can I explain it? But you can't hear the bass at all like you would like normally. But I've put in the extra bass boost. I know I like Samsung and all that, but it's not. I don't know. I don't want to just throw it out in the water and be like it's complete garbage. But it's not. It just sounds like normal wireless earbuds to me, to be honest with you. And I've tried a lot. It just sounds the same as the old one, to be honest with you. The only difference really I can feel is just the clarity of the music, of the lyrics and everything. But the bass is there only if you properly like use your finger and shove it inside your ears. But you can't be doing that when you're walking around the street. You know, you just got to leave them in. The bass is coming through, but it's not as like, you know, like hefty bass. And I understand it's, you know, it's not wireless, it's not wired or anything like that, but you would expect, you know, from Samsung to have a little bit of crisper like bass that you can actually feel and hear. But it's not there at all. It's not there. But big up and big props to them. Yeah, the clarity of the lyrics and the whole, you know, the music is there. It's very, very clear, the lyrics and everything. But it's not like wow, like like boom, like, you know what I mean. It's not that. It's not all that. I mean, it's nice. It's nice, but it's not all that. It's not all that at all. It's literally all my excitement is just gone in the bin like that, because it's not what I was expecting. I was expecting, obviously, it's an upgrade from the first generation, and I'm expecting, you know, like it to be so much more better. But I don't know. There's only one place that I say is better. It's only from the clarity of the actual music, the lyrics. It's so clear. You can hear all the musical instruments. It's really, really clear. But for you guys that love bass, yeah, I think you guys should stick with the wired, because it does not do it justice at all. There isn't enough bass in the actual headphone. I mean, the actual buds for you to go crazy. It's not like that. It's just the music is just clear. That's pretty much it. But yeah, guys, that's been the video on the Samsung Galaxy Earbuds Plus. Yeah, a little bit of a difference with the Earbuds Plus and the normal earbuds. Not a big major what do you call it? It's not a big major difference, but like I said to you, it's alright. It's alright. It's not like whoa. But it's alright. But yeah, anyway, guys, if you've enjoyed the video, please don't forget to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And yeah, share the video, comment down below, tell me if you liked the video, and tell me what you think about the earbuds if you have one of your own as well. Tell me if what I'm saying is right or wrong. You know, have a little debate down there. I don't mind. But yeah, anyway, yeah, that's all I got to say, to be honest with you. And also, I've noticed that people that watch my videos do not subscribe to my channel. Please hit that subscribe button. Hit the subscribe button. Don't just watch the video and just go. Yeah, hit that subscribe button so you guys are notified when I upload a new video. And if you guys don't hit the subscribe button, I'm gonna have to come to your house and break your legs. I'm a black guy, so I'm gonna sneak in. Like, you guys are not gonna know. I'll come up to your bed when you're sleeping and whoo, I will break your leg. I'll chop it off. I'll bring my big chest, my chasset. I know you African people know what I'm talking about. My chasset. What do you call it? My hashes. I'll come to your house and boom, I'll break your leg. I'll take it home. I'll cook it fried with fried rice, fried pasta, everything. I'll ingredient it with chili, pepper, salt, Maggi, all these things, and I'll cook it and eat it like soup. Anyway, guys, from me, the Samsung Galaxy Earbuds Plus, I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.